Today, we see this is a pasta cooker. First of all, this is the 900 series, and we can do 800 W, can also do 400 W. There are also 700 by 700. The countertop is a 304 material and 2.0 thickness, and the side panel is 201 material and 0.8 thickness. And then we can see underneath there is foot, which is adjustable to prevent the ground from being uneven. The whole stamping molding. Cleaning is very convenient, and the gas will frame our safety protection device. At the same time, we can also choose electricity, which can be customized according to the voltage of various countries. Each cylinder has 3 fire rods. Fire is very fierce to ensure the efficiency of the meal. And we can see this drain cable, which can be briefly connected to the water, reducing the trouble of cleaning. The sieve can also be square or round. There's also a drainage pipe underneath that sends to the wastewater straight out. In general, this pasta cooker can be regarded as cost-effective. Our hotels and resorts will choose it, which is economical. Thanks for choosing email.